Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the modern era, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This machine isn't just a car, it's Ferrari's bold statement of where the future of performance, technology, and design is heading. Ferrari has always had a reputation for pushing the limits of engineering, and the F80 continues that legacy in a way that blends futuristic styling with mind-blowing performance and the kind of exclusivity that only Ferrari can deliver. Let's start with the exterior, because that's the first thing anyone notices about the F80. The design is unlike anything we've seen before, merging aggressive aerodynamics with sleek Italian artistry. At first glance, you'll notice its sharp, low-slung body, sculpted to slice through the air with minimal resistance. The car looks like it was born on the racetrack, but refined for the streets. Ferrari's designers have taken inspiration from their Formula One program, integrating aerodynamic elements such as active flaps, a fully functional rear diffuser, and a prominent rear wing that adapts at high speeds to provide maximum downforce. The front fascia is dominated by razor-thin LED headlights, a wide carbon fiber grille, and sharp air intakes that not only give the F80 a menacing look, but also cool the hybrid powertrain. The long, flowing lines running along the body make the car look like it's in motion, even when standing still. Sitting on massive 21-inch lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires, the stance of the F80 is low, wide, and unapologetically aggressive, giving it a commanding presence that screams Ferrari heritage with a futuristic twist. Moving inside, Ferrari has gone above and beyond to create a cabin that blends racing DNA with luxurious comfort. As soon as you open the butterfly-style doors, you're greeted with a minimalist yet futuristic interior. The cockpit is entirely driver-focused, featuring a yoke-style steering wheel borrowed from F1 technology, integrated with touch controls and LED indicators. The seats are lightweight carbon fiber buckets wrapped in premium Alcantara and fine Italian leather, offering supreme support for high-speed driving while still maintaining comfort for long-distance touring. The dashboard is dominated by a fully digital curved display, giving the driver real-time performance data, navigation, and customizable driving modes. Ferrari has also minimized physical buttons, relying heavily on haptic feedback and gesture controls, creating a clean and modern environment. Ambient lighting adds to the futuristic vibe, while the use of exposed carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and suede elevates the sense of exclusivity. Although focused on performance, Ferrari hasn't forgotten about luxury, offering high-end sound systems and connectivity features, making the F80 equally thrilling for both spirited driving and daily usability. When it comes to performance, this is where the Ferrari F80 truly separates itself from anything else on the road. Powering this beast is a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with advanced electric motors. Together, they produce an astonishing 1,200 horsepower, allowing the F80 to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 2.2 seconds. The top speed is claimed to be over 280 mph, putting it in hypercar territory and making it one of the fastest Ferraris ever built. The F80 utilizes an advanced all-wheel drive system, torque vectoring, and active aerodynamics to deliver unmatched handling and stability, whether on the racetrack or an open highway. Ferrari has also refined its hybrid system to provide instant torque and improved efficiency, meaning you get brutal acceleration, while also benefiting from some electric-only driving capabilities for city use. The suspension system is adaptive, adjusting in real time to road conditions, ensuring a perfect balance of comfort and performance. This is truly a car built for those who crave speed, precision, and cutting-edge technology. Now, let's talk about price. As expected, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is not going to be cheap. Ferrari has placed it in the ultra-exclusive hypercar segment, with a starting price rumored to be around $3 million. Of course, with customization options and Ferrari's special personalization program, many owners will likely spend far more to make their F80 unique. Production numbers are expected to be extremely limited, ensuring that this car becomes not just a performance icon, but also a highly desirable collector's item. So, to sum it up, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is a breathtaking combination of futuristic design, luxurious interior craftsmanship, revolutionary hybrid performance, and exclusivity that only Ferrari can offer. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a glimpse into the future of hypercars. For those lucky enough to own one, the F80 is nothing short of a masterpiece on wheels.